Jane and Mr. Han decide to dine at a cozy restaurant. They are seated at a comfortable table by the window.
Good evening, Mr. Han. This place looks lovely.
Good evening, Jane. Yes, it does. I'm glad we chose this restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome. Can I start you with something to drink?
I'd like water, please.
Same for me, thank you.
Of course. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few minutes?
Could you recommend something?
Sure. Our special today is grilled salmon with vegetables. It's very popular.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
I'll try the chicken salad, please.
Great choices. I'll get those orders in for you.
The waiter leaves to place their orders. Jane and Mr. Han chat about their day. How was your day, Jane?
It was good, thank you. And yours?
Busy, but productive. I finished the report I was working on.
That's great to hear.
Their drinks arrive, followed shortly by their meals.
Here's your grilled salmon, Mr. Han, and the chicken salad for you, Jane. Enjoy!
Thank you. They start eating.
This salad is delicious. How's your salmon?
Very tasty. Would you like to try some?
Yes, please. And you should try the salad.
The salad is indeed very good. I'm glad we came here.
Me too. It's nice to try new places.
As they're finishing their meals, the waiter returns.
Did you enjoy everything?
Yes, it was wonderful, thank you.
Yes, thank you. Could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go. Take your time.
Mr. Han takes the bill and checks it. Jane, let me take care of this.
Are you sure? I can contribute.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for joining me tonight.
Thank you for dinner, Mr. Han. I really enjoyed it.
You're welcome, Jane. I had a great time too. Shall we head out?
Yes, let's go.
They leave the restaurant, chatting about their plans for the next day. Would you like to do this again sometime?
Yes, I'd like that very much.
Great. Let's plan for next week then.
Sounds good. Have a good night, Mr. Han.
You too, Jane. Take care. Jane and Mr. Han part ways, looking forward to their next dining experience together.
Interesting vocabulary from the story.
1. Cozy, warm and comfortable. Example, the room is cozy with a soft chair. 2. Recommend, suggests something good. Example, can you recommend a book? 3. Special, not usual, extra good. Example, today's special is grilled salmon. 4. Productive, doing a lot useful work. Example, she had a productive day at work. 5. Delicious, tastes very good. Example, this cake is delicious. 6. Tasty, good flavor, yummy. Example, the soup is very tasty. 7. Contribute, give something like money to help. Example, can I contribute to the gift? 8. Pleasure, a feeling of happiness. Example, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Speaking practice. Repeat twice after Jane.
Good evening, Mr. Han. Good evening, Mr. Han. This place looks lovely. This place looks lovely. I'd like water, please. I'd like water, please. Could you recommend something? Could you recommend something? I'll try the chicken salad, please. I'll try the chicken salad, please. How was your day, Jane? How was your day, Jane? That's great to hear. That's great to hear. Busy, but productive. Busy, but productive. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. This salad is delicious. This salad is delicious. Very tasty. Would you like to try some? Very tasty. Would you like to try some? Could we have the bill, please? Could we have the bill, please? I'm glad we came here. I'm glad we came here. Thank you for dinner. Thank you for dinner. Would you like to do this again? Would you like to do this again?
Answers and questions.
1. Choose the correct form of the verb I underscore 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 water, please. Two. Identify the correct possessive adjective. Underscore 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 day was good. Thank you. Three. Select the correct modal verb for making a polite request. Underscore underscore underscore. We have the bill, please.